If you want to stay focused and get more done without feeling overwhelmed, the Pomodoro Timer in TickTick is a great tool to use. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the TickTick Pomodoro Timer step by step in 2026. First, open the TickTick app or website and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the task you want to work on. Next, look for the **Pomodoro** or Focus Timer ** option. Tap or click it to open the timer settings. Before you begin, you can customize the timer length if needed. Many people use a 25-minute focus session followed by a short break, but you can adjust the duration to match your workflow. Once your settings are ready, click Start Asterisk to begin your focus session. During this time, concentrate only on the selected task and avoid distractions until the timer ends. When the focus session is complete, TickTick will notify you that it's time to take a short break. Use this time to rest, stretch, or grab a drink before starting your next session. After your break, start another Pomodoro session to continue working. Completing several focus sessions can help you make steady progress on larger tasks. TickTick also keeps track of your completed focus sessions, allowing you to review your productivity history and see how much focused work you've accomplished over time. If you need to stop early, you can pause or end the timer at any time, then simply restart it whenever you're ready to continue. And that's how to use the TickTick Pomodoro Timer. Using focused work sessions with regular breaks is a simple way to improve productivity, reduce distractions, and stay consistent throughout your day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.